Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by creating your Game Jolt account and verifying your email. This gives you publisher controls. Next, enable two-factor authentication so your project stays secure. While doing that, prepare your game package, executable or HTML build, a 512 x 512 icon, a cover image, and a one-paragraph description. You need those files ready before you create a game page. Once done, sign in and open the dashboard so you can begin uploading immediately and avoid interruptions during the next steps. You create a new game page and select the appropriate license and platform options so players know how they can use your work. Then upload builds, Windows, Mac, Linux, and WebGL if available, and assign clear version numbers like 1, 0, 0 to avoid confusion. Make sure to add screenshots and a short trailer, pick tags and categories, and choose visibility, public, hidden, or draft. Once uploaded, check browser builds in multiple browsers to confirm they run before moving to release. You publish the game page when all assets and builds are verified. This makes it visible on Game Jolt. Next, decide whether to make downloads free or set a price, enable comments, and schedule future updates so players stay engaged. Promote the release via the community and social channels to gain traction. If something breaks, check build file paths, executable permissions, and browser console errors for web builds. Those 3 checks solve most issues quickly, and make sure to reupload corrected builds before republishing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.